Hello everyone, today I'll be talking to you about IVUS and OCT. What are these things? IVUS means intravascular ultrasound, OCT means optical coherence tomography. These are new modalities which are used in addition to angiography. This is like a three-dimensional angiography. Angiography conventional is a two-dimensional imaging where we do not see the details, the cross-section, the type of blockage, what is the morphology of the blockage, whether it is a calcified blockage, whether it is a fatty blockage, whether it is a fibrous blockage, whether it is a thin cap blockage, whether it is a thick cap blockage. If it is a thin cap blockage, it can break open and cause sudden cardiac death. So for all this information to know, we need IVUS and OCT. Thin cap blockages, if the blockage is less than 30%, thin cap blockage, it basically can rupture open and cause a 100% blockage and sudden cardiac death. Thin cap blockages are very dangerous. To know that, we need IVUS OCT. Number one, IVUS OCT is also needed to avoid unnecessary stenting. If it is a borderline blockage of 60-70%, you will get to know whether we require any additional stenting or not. If FFR is less than 0.8, you require a stent. More than 0.8, you do not require a stent. Same way, if IVUS area is more than 3 millimeters, you do not require a stent. IVUS area less than 3 millimeter, you require a stent. Obviously, the technicalities vary from vessel to vessel, but this is the major jargon you should remember. And this is like leading a lipid report, where the patient himself can say that my lipid is good or bad. Same way, by looking at the IVUS and OCT report, you can yourself make out whether you require anything substantial or you require any intervention or only medical management is required.